Nyalijoma is someone who will never like good things for others. He's someone who is a user, like he loves using people around him. He like using artists, like he come to you when he needs something. Actually, he always come to me when he need promotion, of course, like when he need to promote his song or to release a song. That's why he always come to me. For example, let's talk about MC Ghetto, his friend. Nyalijoma approaches MC Ghetto. I can remember that was in 2016. Nyalijoma took him all the way from Kampala to MC Ghetto took him all the way from Kampala to Nairobi using a bus. You see? And MC Ghetto, that time he was so broke, like he cannot even afford food, anything to eat. MC Ghetto was the one taking care of him. And he was the one accommodating him. And he was the one who was taking him to the studios. And they record the hit song, which is called Berke, maybe Cartoon, and so on. So when they came to Juba here, he came and find out that there's Juba, like in Juba, there's money. So I remember that was in 2019. He started to distance himself from his friend, MC Ghetto. And we advised them, bro, this is not good. This is someone who brought you out. And now you turn your back to him. It's not nice. So if there's anything you can do, you don't forget about your friend. And that's when he totally forgot about MC Ghetto, and he's the one who brought him up. And also, by that time, Achaiwir helped him. Like Achaiwir has given him 2 cars. We told him to help friends. Either to give MC Ghetto 1 car and to use our other one. He refused. He put 1 car in Konyo or where for Mosalat. We call it Mosalat here. So that's Nyalijoma towards his close friend. Nyalijoma said, I'm a beggar. Me, I never beg to closest friends. Those who knows me, no one has ever abused me that I'm a beggar. I never beg anyone. I don't run after people. I never visit any office one day to beg. I don't remember if there's anyone who ever called me a beggar. I never ran after tycoons. Okay? So him calling me a beggar is the one who is a beggar. And he knows. He's a beggar in thinking, he's a beggar in real life. Because if I'm a beggar, Achaiwir would have buy for me a car. By that time. Because that time I was in the same place with Achai. We were in the same work, the same everything. Achai, K2, all of us were in the same house. But there's no day I ever beg Achai to help me. But him, he knows he's a real beggar. That's why he was given cars. But if I was a beggar, I would have been given a car by Achai. Okay? Also, he claimed to be a responsible man. This guy, let me tell you guys, this guy knows nothing about me. He can never abuse me when it comes to such abuses. He can never abuse me at all because he had nothing to say, because he knows very well he cannot abuse me like in any way. I'm the one who can abuse him. I'm the one who can abuse him in so many ways because I knows him and whatever he does, I know. When it comes to responsibilities, let's accept that, yeah, I'm not married, but I took care of my family and my friend around. I have a bigger family. But nyalijoma is someone who doesn't have family. In fact, he doesn't have a father. He have no mother. Like, he's him and he's honest. He's someone who is only carrying his honest. Maybe he's giving it to those who fuck him. Someone who is carrying his own honest alone, trying to tell me that I'm not responsible. He's not taking care of anybody. He doesn't have family. The only family he has, I remember, is his wife. And in fact, he doesn't take care of his wife. How many rumors are going around there? Those who are close to nyalijoma will attest to that. This guy doesn't even take care of his kids. His kids are there suffering in Logo or where? Who doesn't know his wife is complaining to people around him there? Is he taking care of who now? That's only his honest. He's carrying it like this to Maine or to whatever it is. Which responsibility does he have? You say that John Frog doesn't even take care of myself. Me, I don't sleep in a hotel, which he claimed. This is my apartment. If you think I sleep in a hotel, this is my apartment. Are you guys not seeing my apartment? This is where I sleep. I don't sleep in a hotel. And I don't beg nobody. Okay? This guy is someone who is very bitter. He doesn't love other people's success. He always believes that he's ahead of everybody. Bro, he's calling me expensive, broke something. When it comes to money, the way I'm living, if it comes to a comparison, like to compare our things, the car I drive, he doesn't drive. When it comes to money, let's say, if he think he has money, why he is not taking care of his family who are suffering in Kololo? Because what I know is only him and his honest. He's taking care of his honest. This guy, you guys need to understand this guy. And for all the friends who knows nyalijoma, this guy have no friends in industry. This guy have no friend in music industry. Even to his local artists there, he always trigger to have issues with others. Because when you see him coming around you, just know he needs something from you. He's a user. Someone who always like to use his fellow artists. He claimed that I have songwriter. Me, I don't have songwriters. I'm the only one who write my own songs. But him, who doesn't know that his songs are all being written by others? This guy, you people, let me tell you, if I'm lying, one day, go to his studio, see how he record his songs. If you want to know this guy is nothing and is a liar, just go to his studio and see how he record his song. This guy can record one song for almost 5 hours. This guy doesn't even know how to write anything. This guy always either he steal a song or he use someone to write for him. For example, like his recent songs, it sound like... Who didn't notice that this guy sound like those of Magailok or Makobil? It is because he uses this guy to take ideas from him and then come and turn it into his own. Because that's what he always does. Like, they come to you to become your friend, then he steal your ideas, then you go and sing. Even those wedding songs are not he's not the one who... These are the songs he steal from those of Magailok. Who doesn't know that he steal those songs from Magailok and Makobil? Who doesn't know that? You ask them if they are good friends now with Magailok and Makobil. You see? So this guy is a user and is someone who is very ungrateful. Like the guy, you can help him today, but he can never be happy. Like he's saying, John, I have connected him to one of my friends, the one who is helping him now. You see? He went a lie about something like the guy is just a male liar. He claimed to connect me to his friend, and that's a lie. He never connected me to anyone. He never connected me to anyone at all. Like, the only thing, what I know about him is jealous because you people know this guy is my best friend, of course. It's called Anok. You see? The one I attend his wedding. You guys have seen the video. Me, I never attend wedding one day, and the only wedding I attend this year, the best or groomette, is the one for my elder brother and the one for my best friend, Anok. So him is actually jealous of Anok being my best friend because he think Anok supporting me more than him. He think Anok is from Bor and us, we are from Barkazal. Why is he supporting John Fogg? And he's forgetting that Anok is my friend, like he's my best friend. You see? So he's bitter about that. That's why he always claim he never connect me to anybody. He's lying. This guy, he has taken this thing to personal because the thing he mentioned on his live video, if I'm to respond here, he will never like it. But I will not go deep. I just came here to tell you guys, thing he has mentioned on his live video are all lie. Okay? The thing he mentioned on his own live video are all lie because this guy know nothing about me. But I know everything about this guy. He's some guy who always think that he can do better than anybody. He also talk about Australia. Me, when I went to Australia, I was received and I was treated as a big artist. I was treated like the way they treat other big artists in the world. They didn't treat me like community artists, like the way he was treated. He's talking about the hall, that his hall was full. This guy, when I went there, I feel pity for him. Because what these guys told me about him, he came to Australia and he was stranded. He came to Australia and was stranded in Australia. If he was a man, why did he spend 3 months in Australia? Me, I went there and only spent 23 days. When my concert is done, I left the next day. And I was touring the whole 5 states of Australia. But for him, he went there, he tried to go to different states. All the shows were flop. Community have to come together and they organize a show in the hall. The guy was not living like the way I was living in Australia. The guy was there blacking out in bar in Australia. You see? The guy could move from house to house like from woman's house to other woman. Like he was moving between houses there in Australia. You see? So the guy was stranded in Australia. When he came back, he started lying that I make money. He didn't make money. The guy came back nothing. He was even... People have to organize some money to be given a ticket to come back. So to those friends who knows him and to us, even people who are in Australia, they can tell you guys, this guy was stranded in Australia. He couldn't come back to Juba. He almost to become like slave nation. So you guys, when you see this guy talking about my name, just know he want to promote his song or he want to promote his show. Because he doesn't see anybody apart from me. He must attack me in order for him to. So who is big now? Who is big? Why is he not attacking his fellow artists? His fellow wedding artists too? If you think the other artists are big, there are those of Kim Swag there. There are those of who there. Let them attack. Why does he have to attack me? If you think I'm not bigger than him. So you people have to understand that this guy, he always uses my name to bring himself up. If I'm lying, he has show tomorrow or today, I don't know. He's releasing a song tomorrow, next tomorrow. That's why you have to attack me before his show or before he releases his song. So you guys need to understand the trick of Nyalijoma. And Nyalijoma is the only artist I don't like. Let me be honest to you guys. Because the guy is someone who will come to you here, laughing with you. He removes his fake teeth to you. Then tomorrow, he goes back and abuse you. He's the guy who always go anywhere when they ask him about you. He be like, I don't know this person. He start to talk shit about you. Like he's someone who can never like good things for others. So you guys should not be lied by this guy. I came live here to tell you guys, this guy, to people who knows him, or to his friend, and to people who are going to meet him one day, you will know the reality of this guy. If you guys think I'm lying, you guys will know the reality of this guy. If you guys think I'm lying, you guys will ask his wife or his, people who are around him. Huh? This guy behaviors, I think when he went live, he was drunk. Because he's someone I know who is just a drunkard. When he's drunk, he will just say anything that comes on his mind. He's someone who always goes around and say things which are not matching. So, to my people, I want to tell you guys, whatever you hear from Nyalijoma is a lie. Because to those who knows me, I'm someone who always respect myself. I'm someone who doesn't jump into people stuff. Leave about begging. I don't think if I ever beg anyone, even you people who are in live videos here, I never beg any of you. If I don't think if my phone ever come across your friend that John Frog is saying I need this and that. If you ever seen me in any one office or following anyone, even in club, I don't go to clubs always. When I go to club, I go and sit in my place, either alone or with friends or my team. But him, someone who always black out in clubs. This guy always black out in clubs. Who doesn't know him? How many times I find him blacking out? I saw him so many times blacking out in clubs. He drink up to morning, then start to black out, sleeping on chairs. If you guys want me to prove that this guy always black out in clubs, I will also prove it to you guys. Which responsibility does he have? This guy is nothing close to me. This guy should not ever lie to you guys that he sing well. This guy doesn't sing well. Crying in song doesn't mean someone sing well. Which kind of singing does he have? The guy just cry in song and you guys be like, he sing well. What kind of singing? Me, I can cry in any... I have a voice. Is it conjo? Is melody? Are they not love songs? If people are talking about crying in songs, I will start to cry in songs. You people think that I cannot even sing in that language. You people should not... This guy should not scam you guys that he sing well because he cry in song. Malaika, Malaika. Then you guys came, this guy knows how to sing. This guy is coming. He's a scammer. The music I do here is not crying songs. The music I do here is standard, like the style of the music, like amapiano songs. In amapiano song, you don't have to cry. When you hear the other song, yeah, Bagulu, yeah, are they crying in songs? So the style I do doesn't match with the style of this guy. This guy is just wedding artist who always sing crying in songs. In fact, this guy, let me tell you guys the other secret. The reason why this guy doesn't want to sing in English or Arabic, it is because he always steals songs. He always steals songs from who? Can I tell you from who? This guy could go to YouTube and then go and search those old songs, those old Swahili, songs, and those old R&B songs. Then he come and translate them into Dinka. For example, like Saluk. Saluk, who doesn't know this song is for Kenyan. Saluk is a Kenyan song. He just went and watched the video of the artist, plus he knows Swahili. He came and translated into Dinka. All his songs are R&B songs, the copycat of R&B songs and Swahili songs. He doesn't have a song of his own. And that's why he refused to sing in English or Arabic, because if he sing in English, people will notice that he's stealing somebody's song. And then he's there lying to you guys, I sing, this style artist, I do that and that. This guy is a liar. Let him not scam you. He cannot scam people like us because he knows he cannot scam us. That's why he is always bitter. All the songs are not his. Someone who's go to YouTube and go and steal song, translate them into Dinka, then start singing them. Then you guys come here. Nyalijoma knows how to sing. He's better than John Frog. Let him write his own song like a man. Let him sing in Arabic or English. Last time he tried to sing in Arabic, what happened? So you guys should not be brainwashed by this guy. This guy has been using me, seeing you. If you guys didn't notice that, because he knows I'm his ladder. I'm someone who can. About the video thing in Nairobi recently, he lied that I did not connect him to David or to Yanya. If it was not me, how did he ever reach there? Can he explain it to you guys? How did he even pass? Someone just from nowhere start to lie to people. How did he even pass to get to backstage when he was struggling to get a picture with the video? Me, I was called by the manager of the video. They called me, John, you must come tonight. You must meet the video and you must have a song with him. And you also have another 5 songs with Yanya. That's when I took my flight and I went there late. I went there like around 8. I was very tired and they were already at the show. You see? He knew that Yanya is there and I'm going to be there. He just took the bus all the way to Nairobi. He went there before me. If it wasn't me, how did he even get there? How did he even get there? If it wasn't me. Because I arrived there late and then they were using my tag. My tag was given to Gray. You see, my tag was given to Gray. And he took Nyalijoma with him. Who knows Nyalijoma there? When he was mangmanging there, like he need photos and he was denied, it is because no one knows him and no one recognizes him. Who didn't see the video? Who didn't watch the video? And he's lying that I'm not the one who let them in there. Another thing about the collabo. If I have a bad heart, will I allow them to do a song with Yanya? Did you ever met Yanya before? Huh? Sorry guys, internet was interrupted somehow. So, I'm the one who connected him with the Yanya. If I was somebody else, I would have just criticized him or not even allowed him to even meet with the Yanya. Because by that time, I was even having a problem with him because he was talking bullshit. So now you have to use Gray, my director, when I was called for a meeting to go and meet the video and also Yanya because we're supposed to have songs. He snuck in, he came alone without no one called him. Okay. He came there, he looked like someone who is even dying. He looked very miskin, very innocent. So when he was asked, hey, do you have a problem with John Frog? He denied. I don't have problem because someone told him, this guy He told the manager, this guy have problem with John Frog. Don't allow him to be around here. So when he was asked, do you have problem with John Frog? He denied. He said, I don't have problem. I was asked, then I say, yeah, I don't have. Because I don't want to block him. I'm the one who called the producer by myself. Did he come with his producer? To an extent, even manager doesn't want to him to have a song with Yanya. Actually, he was paying for collabo. Do I pay for collabos? Someone who was paying for collabos. On top of it, it was denied. We had to push Yanya to put the verse. And is there claiming that I was moody, I was not happy? If I was not happy, why did they even allow them to enter our hotel? I would have just tell Yanya, yo, I don't want you to work with this guy. Simple as like that. I will tell the manager, I don't want this guy to work with you guys. Otherwise, I will not work with you guys. So this guy is very stupid. He think he can just lie and he doesn't know. Now he think that he can do thing by himself. Then let him go and look for another collabo if he will get. Let him also go and shoot the video with Yanya if he will see Yanya. If he have the song, of course he will have, but the video, will he shoot the video with Yanya again? If he think he's a man, if he think he have power, if he think he's very connected. That was the biggest artist he have seen in his life. He never met with any big artist. Did he ever met who? He also met Rebani there. He became shaking like a woman. I need a song, I need a song. Rebani denied him. And that was the first time for him to be around big boys. You community people who are supporting Nyalijoma, you guys support him, but let them not lie to you guys. This guy knows that he cannot do anything here on top. Because when he came, like when he go around and see how things are moving, it doesn't suit his level of community standard. That's why I dare him, let him try to stop singing, like making wedding song to survive, if he will survive like us. You guys should not be lied to by this guy. Me, I came on live here to tell you guys the truth about him. And this is gonna be the end of me and him. Because this time around, I will dare him to mention my name again. Because he's nothing to me. He's not adding anything in my life. Not even in brand. Not anything in any way. You have nothing to add in my brand. Why would I bother myself to cite people always? And he's there talking shit, trashing my name, thinking that it's anything to me. Trying to prove his village mindset people that he knows how to sing. If you people doesn't know the secret about this guy, as I told you guys before, this guy is stealing R&B songs. He is stealing those of Chris David, those R&B long time songs, and then he come and put them into Dinka, like rewrite them. He's stealing those Swahili song, old Swahili storyline. He come and sing them again in Dinka. Then you guys are jumping, Saluk. Saluk is not his song, it's stolen song. Who doesn't know that? All his songwriters have run away from him because the guy is ungrateful. Someone who is very ungrateful. What can you do with someone who is very ungrateful? That's why everyone ran away from him. That I have team, I have a studio. Which studio? You remember last time when we went to Dubai? What happened? You shoot that small studio in your room. Yeah, I choose these things. These things that they are even expensive than your studio. And I have a studio, and the rest are coming. If you are a man, why not even renting in the city? You went and rent your house behind a referendum there. Even my car cannot even enter there, or any artist car cannot enter there, and claim to be having, I have a studio, I have record label. We record label do you have? Comparing, just because that boy, I respect him because he doesn't know anything. But you are someone who is very ungrateful. He doesn't know. Mario. You will never take Mario anywhere. Because I know you are very selfish. You never help anyone one day. Hmm? You saying that I always tap into collaboration something, run or run. Why you didn't run the collabo, you think? All collabos I do, and I support them. And all my collabos, I started with upcoming. Did you ever see me doing collabos with who here? Those collabos I did, I make sure the songs become whatever. But you, what will you add to Mario? Seeing we know that you are very selfish, you love yourself, you and your honors only. Who do you help? Apart from your honors, and that honors you also wanted to give it away. That the honors when you drink alcohol, your hormones start to shaking, you want to touch men. Me, when I always say that you are gay, you think I'm lying. If I'm lying, people who knows you or when you are drunk, what do you do? When you are drunk, when you have taken alcohol, what do you do? I even seen you being slapped for almost kissing a man. When you are drunk, what do you do? Those who are around you or those who always see him clap, what do you do? Guys, you mean you always start to come out. And then there you're telling, I have kid, I have this one, I'm not a gay, I have kid. Who doesn't know that you are gay, you idiot? Who doesn't know that you are gay? Who doesn't know? If you are a man, why would you have a soft house? A man who have a soft nyash like a woman, bleed. This thing will not end here, let me tell you. If you think that you can be promoting yourself using my name always, it will never end here, bro. Because I know there's nothing you can abuse me. You know nothing about me. You know I'm not a beggar. You can never tell me I've ever begged anything or anything. If it is my friend Anok, you are always jealous of him, thinking that he supports me and doesn't support you. That guy is my friend. And that's why you see me with him last time in his wedding. Because he's my friend. I'm not there because I'm begging him or anything. He's my friend. If you don't have friend like the way you don't have friends, it's up to you. But if you are jealous of my friend, thinking that he's supporting me and he doesn't support you, ma tell people. Why are you telling me I'm begging? Did I ever beg who? Did you ever see me begging? Where? That person who does not call people, even if I'm hungry, like I don't have anything in my stomach, I can never call anybody. So I know this thing always trigger you because you think I'm close to a knock. That's what is paining your ass. Your ass is been paining for that. Then you go live, hey, do now and that. Yo, bro, let me tell you something. There's nothing you can tell people about me. If it is when it come to music, you nothing. Like you are fucking nothing. I'm the one who introduced you here in Pretoria. Yeah. Who knows you? Who knows you before? When people can start to know John Frog is talking about Lejoma, who is a Lejoma? Who is a Lejoma? That's when they find out it's you. That's when you became friend to some of people I know here. Who doesn't know that you are very ungrateful? You always want people to come and support you, but you don't support others. How many shows you put artists to come and support you, but you can't support them back? For example, like Halab Avenue, they've been supporting your ass scene. When it comes to their turn for you to go and support them, you disappoint them. You never came back. You never wanted to support them because you already gain what you want. You are a user. Who doesn't know that you are a user and you are stupid and you are a beggar? You someone who always beg through song, beg people to support your shows. You go, support me, I have a show, support. That's why you always have shows. Who book you? You the one who always create your shows and then start to contact women. You contact women, you contact people there around here, these big people, begging them, maybe they have a show, I have a show. In the name of show, you always beg in the name of show. Did you ever see me organizing a show here begging people? Telling me no one books you. Bro, I'm the most booked artist here in this country. And all my booking, if they are not in Juba, I just know that they don't afford me. All my booking in Juba, if you don't see me performing anyhow, just know they don't afford me here. But when you see me in East Africa or anywhere, just know they pay good money. The reason why I don't perform here always, it is because they don't afford me. And sometimes my management is big. It's not like you the one who is manager, you are everything to yourself. I have top managers here. Even combine what you have combined, you will not even do anything. So who are you to me? Singing my name. If the only thing your fans or whatever they are talking about English or something, let me tell you, bro, I don't mind what people talk about me. When it comes to English or whatever it is, I see it's nothing to me because language is just a language. As long you can understand my message, that's what I believe in. Even all these Tanzanian artists, they don't know English. Diamond, are you bigger than Diamond? There are some Spanish artists. You even went to Australia last time. Those Chinese even, you see? So you guys here, English, that, English, what? What is English to us? Me, I'm someone, I'm a liberator of this country. I'm a liberator. I'm not like you who is a Kakuma boy. Someone who was fed by UN. Someone who was fed by UN, WFP, in Kakuma. Came to Kampala sleeping from house to house until you become who you are today. But me, I'm someone who shot a bullet in this country. I went to the forest when I didn't even go to school. The English I have here, I learned it on the street. So how come you come and undermine my language? As long you can hear any message, that's what needed. Most of you don't know Arabic. Who forced you to know Arabic? Instead of forcing people to know English. I dare some of you are not even better than me. Okay, let's say, okay, you can talk about grammar, yeah. But when it comes to education or anything, some of you are not even better than me. Yet, I'm a liberator of this country. You people don't see me like this. I'm not like this Kakuma boy who was fed by enemies or uh, or WFP. Someone who was taken for, how do you call it? Someone who was taken to camp, grew up in camp and come back here. So you are Lejoma, I'm bigger than you, and you will never reach where I am. And that's gonna be in your dream. And you have seen last time when you were mangmanging like a kid. When you met Yanya, you were shaking like a woman because you never seen big artists in your life. Me, have seen a lot and I have a lot, and a lot will come. If that thing give you pressure, it will still give you pressure until you go to your village or until you tell your people that I was sorry. Until you beg for forgiveness. Because what I know about you, you are a male liar who always lie to people, trying to bring yourself up using me. So you guys, I just came to tell you guys, this guy should not lie to you guys about me, because even all my close friend knows who the fuck is John Frog. This guy is totally nothing to me at all when it comes to anything. He totally, him including his wedding song, he always compose, plus the money for wedding, he can never. That's why he feel bad, because he have wedding song, he beg people, he beg women, he takes a lot of women from Australia, and he still can never be bigger than me. That's what is paining him. Me, I don't beg women, I don't text women. Even I went to Australia until I came back, I never met any woman. I don't even text women in Dubai here. You never seen me looking for Gal Sugar Mommy or whatever it is here in Juba. So who is he to me? So you guys, those one who always avoid, because I know there are some people here. Some of them they came from Kakuma, or some of them they were in village. They came to Juba. They don't know English. They don't know Arabic. So the only thing they have to do is they have to listen to Alijoma to avoid Arabic or English, because they can hear English, they can hear Arabic. You see? So these few people who came from village, they are listening to Tongmanjang supporting Alijoma. Alijoma become a big headed, thinking that he already made it. You guys, you guys will make this boy to think that he made it, but he's still struggling. That's why when he goes to East Africa, they tell him we only know John Frog. He start to shaking and be colors there. So what I will tell him from today, if he think I'm nothing to him, let him not mention my name next time when he's trying to promote his song or when he's having a concert. If he think I cannot add anything. And this time this thing will not, because it become too personal. He went abuse me online, live video, and he add thing which I never did before, which mean it become too personal. If it become too personal like this, now we shall do it personal. It will even involve my hand this time. Let me tell you, bro, if you mention my name, if you dare mention my name anywhere from today, I will see if you will be in Juba here or even in that Kampala where you are while I'm here, you will feel who is John Frog. Because you cannot go around fucking talking shit about my name. I know your secret. There's something you have said last time. If I'm to tell people here now, people will think that there's a Gabelia or tribalism here. There are some things this guy have said, and they are not good. And that's why I don't want to say it here. If I say it here, it will bring even a conflict because this guy, there's something you go and you can even have a meeting and say something that can even trigger, can bring a communal conflict. This guy have that kind of tribalism in him. So you guys should not be fooled by this guy. This guy is a liar and he is a user. But now I will show him the real me this time around for him to be, in order for him to know his own gap. He must know, like actually I have to teach him to know his level this time around. I will teach him to know his level. This Nyalijoma, I will teach him to know his level because he doesn't know his level. He doesn't know his standard. He forgot that the music he do doesn't match with me. We are not even close. We are different people. As I said, his music doesn't travel to Yei, even Yambio. Did you ever see him performing in Yambio or Yei or other part of Greater Equatoria? So those boys online who are trying to push him by force, claiming Nyalijoma is talented. There's nothing like talent. Let me tell you.